Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Happy New Year. It's the year 2022. It is January and New Year. So sorry if I haven't been making videos since the last time I posted. I've been very busy with my job lately. They've been sending me many places over the last couple months, so really haven't been home to really do anything on my car. I was here for maybe couple autocross events, but that was pretty much it. Never really had time to work on my car or do any big upgrades. So yeah, so finally back home after the whole New Year's, Christmas, New Year's. So hopefully everyone had a good Christmas and New Year's, and hopefully you got everything that you wanted for Christmas. I know I got a lot of parts that I ordered that came in, so that was very good. But here in today's video, we're actually going to be replacing something that broke in my car about a couple months ago, last year, when I was away on one of my trips for my job. It's actually my AC vent. So here I have a replacement part. This is the AC vents on the 2008 Toyota Yaris sedan. This is the part number. You can read it, 55670-52030. It's called the register assembly. It also has it on this side, if you can see. But I'm gonna go ahead, open this up real quick. So, this is the AC vents. You can see it controls this and this right here. So I'll go ahead and switch over to the one on my dash right now. But yeah, so this is, you can see the part number here, and then this is just all the parts. It's the official Toyota part. So this will be replacing what's here. So let me switch over to a different camera angle so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so here we're looking at the center dash of my Toyota Yaris, and so as you can see here, it's missing these, this side of the AC vent is missing these vertical or these horizontal dividers. So what I believe happened was, because my car was sitting in the sun over the course of a couple months, I believe because these are plastic, right? So because these things are like all plastic and stuff. For this part, I believe because it was sitting in the sun for so long, it just deteriorated and just kind of broke apart. And so when I came back into my car after coming back, I tried to adjust the AC vents, and all these horizontal ones just broke off. So I tried to come up with a solution to try and fix this individual part here, which is what broke, which is what holds all these kind of together when you rotate this. But I was not able to fix it, so I just went ahead and bought a brand new assembly to fix this this vent. So I will still probably keep this one around in the event that I do need the parts. But for now, I can just go ahead and show you how to replace this entire assembly in here. To get to the center console, you just basically remove all these trim pieces around. You can start by removing this bottom one down here. This comes off pretty easily, it's on the bottom here. And then from there you can remove these side ones. They just pop off easily. They come with these little tabs. You just throw them on the side. Same thing on this side. Just pull, and it should just pop right off. And you also need to remove this one right here. So you just pull this forward and it just pops off really easily. And then from here, we'll go ahead and try to pop this off. Let's see. So just pull this, pull from here, pull this one right here too. Might take a little nudge, but just pull. There you go. then there's going to be a wire up here, connector for your hazard. So you just gotta, it's a tab over here, just push down and then pull, and then that should come up. And then you have the assembly right here. Right. So here, this is the original part number, and then basically matched it with this one. So now go ahead and take this off. So to take this off, there's tabs all along the outside of this. You just have to be careful. So you just kind of slowly, one by one, just go around, just pop it up. And same thing on the bottom. And then that should just pop up really easily. This is just a trim piece. So here you can see this really is loose. This one is still fine, but I will need to take this assembly. So to take this out, there's a couple tabs over here. Just gotta go around and just kind of find it. So there's a tab on the bottom of this assembly. You just push this tab in over here and it just pops out just like that. So then now this middle assembly, this is your hazard, can come right out. Now you can take this old assembly, throw it on the side, take the new one, so just put this one back in, just like that. And now this can go inside the trim. So just basically reverse the process. Just line it up. Careful about when trying to put this back on is there's a little lip here on the trim piece. You just have to make sure it goes over the bottom part of this. So you just gotta make sure it goes in on this side, and then from there everything should just snap in. Yeah, so there's a little lip here on this trim piece. So you just want to make sure this goes over this part right here. So the trim just goes over this assembly, this little part right here. So that's the only thing you just gotta make sure. But once you go ahead and put this back in, everything's all snapping into place. You can go ahead and reassemble it. So just reconnect this. Just for the center, just like that. And then you just kind of slowly guide this into place. You just snap it in, just like that. And then you can go ahead and put this guy back on. It just slides in and snaps. You can do the sides. Same thing with the other side. And then the last part, this is bottom part, this just snaps in. And there you go. So now I got a working passenger vent that my passenger can adjust if they need to. I also have one for me, so that's good. And I can always keep this one in the event this side fails or this assembly fails on this one. So I can keep this and this one around just in the event something happens to this old one or this new one. So that's good to have. So yeah. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Relatively short video, really quick, just changing out the AC vents. So but yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I have a lot of parts that I ordered for this car, so I have a lot of plans this year to install new parts for this. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Shoots.